In this short video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic monthly calendar which will work for any year and month you select. For the year option, select the Data tab, then Data Validation. Choose whole number from the Allow box, then input your minimum and your maximum values, then OK out of it. Then input a year which falls between the validation you've just created. For the month option, open the Data Validation again. This time, select the List option and input all of the months and separate each one with a comma. Once done, close out the window, then select a month from the drop-down. In this first cell, type out this formula. The sequence function creates the grid output. The date value function takes the month and year text values and converts it into an Excel date time code. We then use the weekday function to find out where the first day of the month falls. To get just the day number, select all the values, press Ctrl 1, select the Number tab, then Custom. In this box, type a D, then hit OK. To grey out the days which don't belong in the current month, keep all of the values selected, then come up to the Conditional Formatting section on the Home tab and choose New Rule. Select the Use Formula option at the bottom, then enter this formula within the box. Make sure you remove the absolute referencing for the first cell value. Press Format, select the Font tab, then for the colour select a light grey. Finally, to get the week number, open the Week Num function and select one of the dates within the week, then copy it down. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.